All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to start one more 60-second session with our new guest. What's your name?
My name is Maman Billah.
Okay, where are you from?
I am from Potokali.
Thank you. How are you today?
I am very fine, and you?
Fine. This is Naim and I'm going to ask you 10 short questions. The
Yes.
first one, mobile or telephone?
Mobile can because I can use easily.
Okay, storybooks or novel?
Storybook because I can use knowledge.
Laptop or desktop?
Laptop it is easy to carry.
Football or cricket?
Football because it is an international game. I like football.
Pen or pencil?
Pencil because I can easily overwrite.
Okay, city or village?
City because it give us living facility.
Friends or family?
Family because family come first.
Okay, job or business?
Business because I can have family time.
Movie or drama?
Movie because I can new information.
All right, Honda or cycle?
Honda it give us safe time.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your answers.
Thank you. Thanks everyone. That's all for the time being.